Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of October, 2024, our system has categorized QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.19. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.06%. This results in an average return of 0.12% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund, or ETF, is currently positioned in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at 499.68 will indicate an increased rate of rise. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 7.51% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 0.569% to 8.64%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 27.92% over the next 12 months, with an anticipated return between 18.56% and 38.67%. This translates to a price range of 586.26 to 600 to 685.69 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF price up 0.655% on Friday. The QQQ ETF price gained 0.655% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of October, 2024. It rose from $491.25 to $494.47. Notably, it has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it can continue this upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 0.460%, with a day low at $493.30 and a day high of $495.57. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.47% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 25 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $12.43 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes over the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 1.80%, or $9.05, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ exchange-traded fund are highlighting both opportunities and potential risks for investors. As of October 18, 2024, QQQ is approaching its July highs, benefiting significantly from the momentum in artificial intelligence growth, an area where major holdings like NVIDIA, Google, and Meta are thriving. This continued focus on artificial intelligence adoption in the private sector could bolster investor confidence and drive prices higher in the short term. However, there are concerns regarding QQQ's rising risk premium linked to fluctuating interest rates. Analysts recently downgraded their rating from buy to hold, suggesting some caution as investor sentiment shifts. With valuations now exceeding a price-to-earnings ratio of 40, there is growing apprehension that QQQ may be trading at bubble-like levels, especially given its heavy concentration in a few key stocks. Moreover, as earnings season unfolds, volatility is expected, and any disappointments could negatively impact QQQ's price. Despite these risks, interest remains in the exchange-traded fund, particularly with its diversification into sectors beyond technology. Long-term, if artificial intelligence innovations sustain growth and underlying companies maintain robust earnings, QQQ could still deliver significant returns. But investors should stay alert to market dynamics that might influence short-term performance. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, and so far it has fallen by approximately 0.6%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. On downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels of $492.99 and $479.68. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger signals indicated a buy 5 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the following. The short moving average showed a buy signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also suggested a buy signal 229 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to explore more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this scenario, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low for this stock. Over the past day, the fund moved $2.27 between its high and low, which is approximately 0.46%. For the past week, the average daily volatility has been 1.02%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let us quickly examine some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest either a low expectation for the company's future performance or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at 497.50 cents. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at 448.75 cents. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $476.89, reflecting a decrease of 3.55%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is the QQQ exchange-traded fund a worthwhile investment? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable expectation for the QQQ exchange-traded fund to perform favorably in the near future. However, after examining the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is somewhat inflated. As we look ahead to trading on Monday, the 21st of October, we anticipate that the QQQ will open lower by approximately 2 cents, starting at $494.45. Please remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge your responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.